everybody, this is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we're going to be looking at the shipping sector stocks. I have 11 different tickers I want to just show you the chart for real quick. The sector was heating up. We had TOPS and SHIP made nice runs yesterday. We had been watching the sector for the last couple of weeks, looking for it to pop. It finally did yesterday, and then now we're getting follow through with other stocks in the sector. Okay, so what we'd like to do here is take a look at EGLE first. Up 25% today. As you can see, there's a volume spike, a move above the middle Bollinger Band. The 50-day moving average was broken intraday. That's the green line. Bulls want to see it close above that level. A close above would put the 100-day moving average on deck. Fail to break the 50-day moving average, like back here, would signal downside risk. Okay, so possibility of a new uptrend starting. TOPS, had a nice move yesterday, closed above the 50-day moving average, and right at the 100-day moving average today. There's this big gap up open. Notice the share price hit the 200-day moving average and pulled back. The 200-day simple moving average is the key level to break. Notice today's candle is forming far above the upper Bollinger Band. This is signaling the move is frothy. The long upper wick shows profit taking. Okay, this is not a good setup today. Let's see, SHIP. Okay, SHIP had a nice move yesterday. The volume spike and close above the 50-day moving average and middle Bollinger Band was a signal the chart was heating up. As you can see here, there's a gap up open above the 100 and 200-day simple moving averages. The share price has broken the 300-day moving average at 317 intraday. The upper wick on today's candle does show profit taking. The bulls want to see it close above the 300-day moving average and that level turn into support to signal more upside potential. There is a gap between high of day yesterday and low of day today. So that is a red flag. And today's candle is forming above the upper Bollinger Band. SINO. Okay, that made a really big move at this morning. Ran all the way up here to 170. Okay, after heating up yesterday, candles are forming above the middle Bollinger Band. There was a gap up open above the 300-day moving average. There's no space in the chart. It's been filled with the wick. But this long upper wick is not what bulls want to see. This shows profit taking, possibly shares being sold. Nasty wick like that formed yesterday. Actually, there's the history of that, but the share price has been heading higher, but it does show profit taking and it is not what bulls want to see. As long as the middle Bollinger Band is holding, there in the uptrend is still intact, there will be more upside potential. It's just looks like heavy profit taking today on the spike. Okay, DRYS has a nice setup here. Formed a black candle yesterday, so we made our radar and had a P-star bull flip. As you can see, the green dots are now below the candles. What bulls want to see is they want to see a break above the middle Bollinger Band and EMA 13. They want to see a break above the dotted purple line. That would signal more upside potential. Failed to break the middle Bollinger Band would signal continuation of the downtrend. There hasn't been a close above the middle Bollinger Band since back here in May. The big volume spike is promising, but the upper wick on today's candle does show profit taking. Okay, now let's look at DCIX. Okay, DCIX is heating up. As you can see, it's forming candles above the middle Bollinger Band. The 50-day moving average is the key level to break. If it can break above 444, it could heat up. DCIX is a low volume play. Low volume plays are not desirable because they can be easy to buy but hard to sell. If volume comes in the trade, it could heat up. As you can see, GNK has an uptrend going. There's a volume spike today, another thinly traded stock. Bulls want to see a close above this July high close here. That would signal more upside potential. The next simple moving average target is the 200-day simple moving average at 1132. Okay, NM has been making a nice move. It's trying to break the 100-day simple moving average today at 109. That is the key level to close above. A close above that level puts this 200-day moving average at 129 on deck. If you can get a break above the 200-day moving average, it could head higher. Fail to break the 200-day moving average, and 100-day moving average will signal downside risk. There is an uptrend going. As long as that middle Bollinger Band is holding and the uptrend is intact, there'll be more upside potential. Okay, DSX here has been consolidating sideways after the close above the upper Bollinger Band. Bulls want to see this EMA's 4 and 8 support hold. The 200-day moving average is the next target. Okay, this has a good uptrend going. It just needs to break out higher. SB here has another stock with an uptrend going. It is breaking the 200-day simple moving average today. Bulls want to see it close above that level. A close above the 200-day moving average would signal more upside potential. Fail to break the 200-day moving average would signal downside risk. It's another thinly traded stock. And then finally here we have SBLK, the same setup as SB. Want to see it close above this 200-day moving average. That would signal more upside potential. A little more volume for SBLK. Both stocks are in an uptrend. Okay, thank you for viewing this chart. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.